how to watch Instagram Reels on PC. Now, in order to do this, you want to go to the specific profile whose Reels you want to watch. So I'm going to take this page as an example, Wonderful Places. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So I'm just going to take it as an example. Like I said, if we press on it, as you can see, we got the posts, the tagged, and Reels. So here's how you do it. You press on Reels, and then you select whichever reel you want to watch. As you can see, it works perfectly. You can navigate through that person's Reels by pressing on either the left or the right arrow. And they work perfectly, they got sound, as you can see, but you cannot watch random Reels like you can on the mobile version, unfortunately. So like I said, if you want to watch somebody's Reels, you go to their profile specifically, you go to the second tab right here which says Reels, and you scroll through their Reels and decide on what you want to watch. So if this video helped you out, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.